Hey, all you viewers, be named later. How we doing today? I know, another weird uncapping. I couldn't resist. This one was born by a total freaking accident. All right, so we're in our local big box store doing our grocery shopping. Walmart, shameless promo for Walmart. And my better half likes Code Red, so she likes like the little 20-ounce bottles. That's what she drinks throughout the day, not a bunch of them. She limits herself to one a day. She knows when she's done with that, she moves on. We're getting up close to the register, and with Walmart, you can create a shopping list, all right, which is kind of cool. That way you don't forget anything. You're like, through me, when my better half has these weird little food items that she likes, I match item to picture, remove, and move on with my day. So I sent my boy, I was like, Mommy wants X amount of Code Reds. Okay. He comes back with Mountain Dew, Baja Blast, what is that? Caribbean Splash. Now, these may be familiar to you. It's brand new to me. I hadn't heard of it yet. And I'm thinking to myself, do you ever remember when Mountain Dew just had one flavor? The electric green flavor? You know, the stuff that had so much caffeine in there, it rivaled Jolt Cola. Now it seems like Mountain Dew has seasonal items and promotional items and everything else. I mean, I'm not complaining. I'm really, really not. I really love that dark berry one they did a long time ago when the Dark Knight came out. I really love that Batman Mountain Dew. Baja Blast, hands down, is my favorite. And I'm really liking that Summer Freeze, but I know it's going to go away soon, so I really got to go stock up. But still, so he came back with these, and I went, nice try, you banana eater. And then I went, ooh, video. Okay. So this is going to be kind of hard for you guys to see, but take your little freeze frame. There's your nutritional facts. There's all the ingredients and the fun stuff. Let's put it to a taste test, right? I mean, it's what we do here. We review weird items. We review interesting items. And we review items that some of you go, why? Just why? Like that space cheeseburger. That space Texas burger I did. Oh, no. I can still taste it in the back of my throat still. And it's been months since I did that review. But okay. You want that? Smells like Baja Blast, but with a little difference. Okay, well, probably because that with a blast of natural and artificial guava flavor. Ooh, more sugar. Just what Chris needs. Yeah. Like I am. Oh yeah, that's interesting. Wow, that just wakes me up right away. Wow. God, this is going to sound so bad. Here we go. When I got it in my mouth, I could taste the difference. Have fun with that one. Wiley, if you're watching this, I already know. E. Oh, I can't wait for your comment down below. Oh, that's going to go viral. You know, we do 3, so here we go. Yeah. It's like a jacked up Baja Blast. That's about the only way I can put it. Not in a bad way, but we're going to give you a bit more sugar. Hey, hold on. Okay. Is this one I'm going to go out of my way to purchase again? Probably not. It's okay. It's nothing that really stood out to me that went, hey, dummy, go buy more of it, stock up on it now. It's one of those that if I come to it at the register and none of my favorites are there, I may pick it up if I need that caffeine boost. You know, if I can't wait till I get home to get whatever, this may do. I don't know. I'm just one man, just my opinion. It's okay. It's not great. It's not horrible. It's bleh. If you ever watch Doc P91B, it's in the meh pile. You know, the meh. Sorry. Summer colds just suck. I can't get rid of this thing. And the air quality coming out from Canada, so, maybe South Park got it right. Blame Canada! Blame Canada! Yeah. Anywho, we're at the most important part of this one video for me. I want to know your questions, comments, love, hatred, anger, all that fun stuff right down below. Have you tried Baja Blast Caribbean Splash? Do you like it? Do you not like it? Is it being carried in your area? Because I know that I've seen some companies do regional items, and I'm like, you lucky bastards. But, with that fun stuff being said, if it made you laugh, made you cringe, made you cry, made you do any of that during this video, and I'm pretty sure that it did, please hit that big old thumbs up. It's only going to tell YouTube, hey, I like what this crazy YouTube mother effer is doing. Whoo, now. There we go. My quick uncapping and weird taste testing of the Mountain Dew Baja Blast Caribbean Splash. I want to thank you guys for watching this weird one. I hope you're having a great day today, a safe day today, and I hope to see all of you in our very next video.